Looking for Wix store template? As a store business owner, what you need is a full online system tool that your website is only a small part of it. Wix doesn't have full online marketing system for businesses and freelancers. Wix only have a website builder tool, and that's all. You need services from at least 4 or 5 companies to start your online business. Of course, it's complicated to set up and maintenance all those marketing tools. But nowadays, there is a solution that makes all building online business process much simple. There is a full easy system with all tools you need for your online business in one easy platform. A drag and drop website builder, drag and drop email marketing system, and drag and drop funnel system, and much more. You don't need to be programmer or designer to establish and set up this system. You aren't going to build only your own store website. You are going to build your own store online business. Down below in first comment, there is a link for 7 days trial for this system. Click on it and start to build your own store business. And by the way, please share this video with your friends.